Is your kitchen stuck in the past? Ready to flip the script with bold, beautiful colors that define 2025? From moody blacks to soft lavenders and rich espresso tones, these extreme kitchen makeover colors will transform your space from dull to designer level wow! I'm breaking down the 10 hottest paint colors of 2025 that are turning ordinary kitchens into stunning masterpieces, all DIY friendly and easy to achieve. So, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell to get started. Number 1. Cadet Gray Color. Cadet Gray is a soft, muted gray infused with just a whisper of blue, the perfect color for homeowners looking to create a serene and refined kitchen. This shade evokes the feeling of an overcast sky, peaceful, modern, and subtly stylish. Cadet Gray works especially well with white cabinetry, marble countertops, and stainless steel appliances. Think of it as the denim of paint, endlessly versatile, always on trend, and effortlessly cool. Whether on walls or cabinetry, it brings a sense of calm confidence that never feels cold or sterile. Number 2. Chinese Black Color. For those craving a bold yet balanced statement, Chinese Black offers the perfect solution. Unlike harsh jet blacks, this shade carries cool blue undertones that lend it a contemporary edge. Use it to highlight architectural details, frame open shelving, or create a stunning contrast with lighter elements like white tile or pale wood. It's a color that commands attention without overwhelming, a masterclass in restraint and elegance. Even a small splash of Chinese Black can give your kitchen an instant designer feel. Number 3. Tan Paint Color. Warm, creamy, and welcoming, tan is the go-to choice for kitchens that radiate comfort and tradition. This timeless shade acts as the perfect canvas for farmhouse and country-style interiors. It pairs beautifully with butcher block countertops, brass fixtures, and open wooden shelving. Add a few antique accents, a dash of greenery, and soft lighting, and you've created a space that invites family gatherings and long conversations over coffee. Tan doesn't just fill a space, it embraces it. Number 4. Coffee Color. If you're drawn to kitchens with a touch of drama and loads of texture, coffee may be your new favorite. This rich espresso-toned brown brings an earthy, grounded feel to the heart of your home. It's especially effective on kitchen islands or base cabinets, where it anchors the room with warmth and depth. Pair it with raw textures like reclaimed wood, natural stone, or matte black hardware for a rustic chic look that's full of personality. Coffee is comfort in color form, rich, robust, and always satisfying. Number 5. Vampire Black Color. Not for the faint of heart, Vampire Black is a striking, deep black with hints of red wine undertones that give it a moody, gothic elegance. It's a color that tells a story of drama, depth, and bold design choices. Use it sparingly, such as on a feature wall, cabinet trim, or statement ceiling, to add a sense of mystery and theatrical flair. Paired with metallics like aged brass or deep burgundy decor, Vampire Black transforms the kitchen into a space that's both edgy and enchanting. Number 6. Deep Cayenne Color. Deep cayenne is a color that creates a dramatic, modern, and character-rich atmosphere in a kitchen space. With a rich and intense blend of teal and deep blue, this shade not only brings a refreshing feel, but also exudes an elegant and sophisticated aura. Imagine stepping into a kitchen with cabinets wrapped in deep cayenne, a color that conveys tranquility while maintaining a striking visual impact. When paired with white marble countertops, a balance between softness and luxury emerges. The clean and luminous marble surface further accentuates the dynamic teal-blue character, creating a space that feels both exclusive and inviting. Number 7. Wine Red Color. Nothing says luxury like the deep velvety tones of wine red. With its rich, full-bodied color, it instantly adds warmth and opulence to a kitchen. Ideal for upper cabinetry, dining nooks, or even bold pantry doors, Wine red is especially effective when paired with soft neutrals like tan or vintage-inspired shades like old lavender. Add some textured linens, ornate lighting, and ceramic accents to complete the look. You'll have a space that feels both indulgent and inviting. Number 8. Pink lavender color. Pink lavender is a delicate pastel blend that combines the sweetness of pink with the poise of lavender, offering a refreshingly modern twist on feminine color. This hue is perfect for brightening up small kitchens or adding charming accent details such as open shelving, drawer interiors, or a cozy breakfast corner. It pairs well with white tile, soft woods, and minimalist hardware. The result is a fresh, uplifting vibe that feels both lighthearted and tastefully curated. Number 9. American blue color. American blue is a strong, saturated navy that offers both power and poise. It's a timeless shade that speaks of classic elegance, much like a tailored navy blazer. Reliable yet always stylish. Whether used on shaker-style cabinets, a feature island, or even a full set of lower cupboards, this color pairs beautifully with warm metals like brass or gold and provides a striking contrast to white marble or quartz. American blue brings clarity and structure to the space while still allowing for plenty of personality. Number 10. Old lavender color. Old lavender is for those who appreciate elegance that doesn't shout. A muted blend of gray and purple with vintage charm, this shade brings a soft sophistication to your kitchen. Use it on walls, built-ins, or decorative millwork to create a calm and cohesive atmosphere. It complements both bold tones like wine red and neutrals like Cadet gray, offering versatility and refinement. If you're looking to strike a balance between tradition and modernity, old lavender may be your perfect match. Those were the extreme kitchen paint colors of 2025. Bold, elegant, and ready to breathe new life into your space. Whether you go for something dramatic like vampire black or keep it calm with Cadet gray, your kitchen deserves a fresh start. Which color was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found inspiration here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss out on the latest home trends and DIY tips.